The lighting is terrible, but happy Halloween, you guys. I'm not doing anything today. As you can see, it's morning. I have 2 minutes until I have to walk into work. The lighting is freaking terrible. I'm so sorry, but I just did the little leopard makeup look today. Yeah, okay, bye. Okay, so I'm currently doing my nails right now, in the process of doing them, and I took a break, ate some food, and I'm like, I really need some coconut coal. I asked my brother yesterday. He was at Whole Foods and he only found the regular flavor, and I literally am scraping the chocolate, and I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna order it because it says due to high demand, please allow up to 2 weeks for orders to ship. So I'm just gonna order and get it out of the way because I'm not gonna find it. I'm gonna try, I already love the chocolate mousse. Everybody talks about the harvest strawberry, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, I didn't want to try the banana pudding because it is a lot more runny and I'm getting used to the consistency, and I like the thicker mousse consistency. Yeah, due to high demand, please allow up to 2 weeks. Let's see how much it comes out to. I'm gonna do Apple Pay. Ah, it's free shipping. Let's fucking go. I love that. Okay. Oh my god, order being processed. Hi. Saturday, November 9th. It's 2:11 p.m. I have a client at 3 o'clock. Before my client come, I'm doing like a get ready for my friend's birthday. We're gonna go for dinner later at like 8:30, 9 o'clock. I'm gonna just do my skincare. I'm gonna do my cluster lashes, and then I'm gonna do my client's makeup and then finish getting ready. Yeah, this breakout is it's bothering me. Like, it's not so bad because they're like little pimples, but still my skin was doing so good. I'm gonna take my Kiehl's not dark spot, my acne clearing solution, and I'm just gonna put a little bit here because this actually works. I like it. I noticed that I get left with a dark spot afterwards, but when I use this one, that doesn't happen. And it's like, pimple patches are cool, but sometimes I don't want to wear a fucking pimple patch all the time. This is what these makeup artists and lash techs be talking about when it comes to these clients being late. And it's like, girl, like, it's 2:41. Where you at? How you gonna do the things that you're supposed to do at the time of my appointment? I have the dinner. I have my friend's dinner that I have to go to, that I have to get ready for. It's like, I might not be able to take her because it's like, bitch, I need to get my friend a fucking gift. Oh my god, I've been working non-motherfucking stop. She's a glam girly, so I don't need to get her like makeup or anything like that, but you know, since we're working girlies and we're always at home, so maybe like I can get her like some fuzzy slippers, a robe, maybe some pajamas, something cute like that. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to pick me up. Looks like I'm not getting a client today, so yeah, we're gonna go now. Look how fucking cute. I'm about to buy these for myself, these little cute slippers. Bitch, these are cuter. I'm about to get these instead. And it has a hoodie. You guys, I don't know. It smells like a forest fire. I was thinking about getting her this one because the robe is pretty big. This one's cute. I might do this one.
Got my pistol, I bought my bitch a killer crocodile and I know lizard. up the phone, I swear.
Happy birthday, man!
Look like you was cursing me out just now? No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
You was cursing her out, Chelsea?
No, she was cursing me out.
Oh my god! What's wrong with y'all? Yes!
Take a spot. If you ain't cooking, then you
And I can't believe you hurting me. Alright, that's it. I'm done.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
It's so early. Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm headed to work. Bye. I literally just finished my makeup for work. And I fucking cried. I don't even know if I should keep it on. Ain't that ironic? Like my last vlog. Oh, I've been in such a good mood. I've been so productive and blah blah blah. Fuck out of here. I don't even know if I should try and save this shit or just take this shit off. I don't even feel like wearing makeup. I didn't even like my makeup from the jump. Now I gotta go to work. Like I'm over it. So fucking over it. I'm done. I'm so done. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Hey you guys, good morning. I look like shit, but I'm here at the studio. I have a client in about 15 minutes. Yes. Why do I have my robe on in the studio? It's cold in here. And girl, look, I was like cleaning foundations and stuff. I was cleaning the area. I got my fucking pants dirty. I'm not gonna do her makeup in this robe. I just carry it with me because I don't want to wear like a hoodie in here, because it's like it usually gets a little warm because I have a heater here. So I'm just waiting for it to get cold and I just take off my robe and I just have a t-shirt on. Girl, like I just woke up and ran over here to the studio. Like I'm tired, bitch. I'm tired because I stood up watching that Mike Tyson and Jake Paul fight, and I just woke up right now, opened up TikTok, and the first thing I saw is a girl talking about how, oh my god, my left ear is ringing. Let me say what I have to say, universe. That the fight was rigged, that it was a ritual, it was a humiliation ritual. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that was one of the saddest fights that I've ever seen. Damn, I need to charge my camera. Is that my client? Oh my god, she's here, bitch.
How you doing?
Hey guys, apologies for filming on this horrific iPhone camera, but as you can see from the last clip, as you saw from the last clip, I had to send my camera back to Canon for repairs. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.
Those people like you know, you ain't get night like Coco.